In this video, my children are testing out Create Your Own Shrink Art by Color Zone. These can be used as keychains, pins, little backpack hanging accessories. The box includes 3 shrink sheets, 4 permanent markers, 2 pens, 5 gel dots, 3 colors of cords, 6 jump rings, and instructions. I also selected a variety of permanent markers so my children can color the shrink art with those as well. I think my children enjoyed coloring the shrink sheets just as much as they enjoyed watching the shrink art shrink. Here's the first batch going in the oven. You should be able to purchase your own shrink art box by Color Zone at your nearest craft and art supply store. Look at how small they shrink down to. Here's the second round. Have you tried using shrink art yet? If you have, let me know in the comments. This is a safe and kid-friendly craft that is recommended for children ages 6 and up. Finally, round 3. Honestly, it didn't take long to shrink at all. I would say about a minute and a half. The steps for this was so easy. It was as simple as color, shrink, and display. It's all done now. Thank you for watching. Please watch my next video.